Hi, my name is Hala, and today I will be walking you through how to use the Take a Break feature in CourseKey. First thing you'll want to do is click on the name of your course, then click on Today, which should say Active. Then in the top right corner, you'll see a little coffee cup that says Take a Break. You'll click on this Take a Break button, and this will ask you how many minutes you would like to send your class to break for. So you can choose 30 minutes, or you can customize it, make it more or less. And at the top of your screen, it's going to show you when class will resume. Um, and you have the ability to select a default break length. Once you click start, this will force all of the students out to break, so it'll automatically check them all out. And then after break has ended, so 30 minutes later, your students will need to check back in using the technology method for this course, whether that be QR code, GPS, biometrics, or sound, to check back into class. So you would just click start and it would send everyone to break. And now your whole class will be out to break, and it'll show you the little coffee cup icon next to the course time. You'll also notice that the student statuses are grayed out and that the time has paused. So students will not receive time for their break. If you would like to end a break early, you can click on the coffee cup again, and you can either end your break early or you can undo a break. So if you would like to end your break early, you can click end break early, confirm, and it'll have your students checked out. So your students will need to check back in. And once they do check back in, it'll resume counting their awarded time. Please let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.